Hi, everyone. Welcome to Everyday Real English from Real Life podcast.
Welcome to Real English Podcast.
I'm Annie.
And I'm Brendy. Thank you so much for joining us for this deep dive.
Before we jump in, please remember to tap like, subscribe, and, share the Real English Podcast with your friends.
It really helps us out a lot.
So today's topic is really essential, especially if you're new to the U.S.
That's right. We are doing a deep dive into the American Public Library.
And I know what you might be thinking. Library just means books, right?
Right. But here, it's so much more.
Yeah.
Think of it like a free community center. It has classes, ebooks, study rooms, all there to help you.
It's really designed to make your life easier and, well, to help you feel more confident. We want to show you exactly how to unlock all of that.
Okay, so let's start with this big idea. We often hear libraries called community hubs. What does that actually mean?
Well, it's about what makes them unique. Think about it. Almost every other public place, like a mall or a coffee shop, wants you to buy something.
There's always a transaction.
Exactly. But the library is different. It requires nothing from you. You can just walk in, sit down, use the Wi-Fi.
And no one will bother you. You don't need money. You don't need a special membership just to be there. It's completely open.
And that gets to a core value of U.S. libraries: equity and universal access. It means they are for everyone.
Everyone. It doesn't matter your age, your race, how much money you have. None of that matters.
It's for all people. And this is so important when we talk about technology and something called the digital divide.
The digital divide, what is that exactly?
It's basically the gap between people who have easy access to things like computers and high-speed internet and those who don't.
And that can be a real problem. I mean, so many job applications are online now.
They're almost all online. So if you don't have a computer or good internet at home, what do?
You go to the library.
You go to the library. They have free computers, free high-speed Wi-Fi. It bridges that gap. It's essential.
And their role today goes way beyond just books and computers.
Oh, absolutely. They're sometimes like social first responders. They help with job hunting skills. They run English classes for immigrants.
And in some places, they're even part of the public health system. I've read about libraries that stock Narcan to help with the opioid crisis.
That's right, because they're trusted, accessible places in the community. They meet real social needs.
Wow. So all of that power is held in one little card.
Exactly. And that little card is your key. So let's talk about how you get one.
Okay. The first step, what do you need?
It's usually two main things, and getting the card is free. First, you'll need a photo ID.
So like a driver's license or a passport.
Yes, either of those works.
Mm-hmm.
And second, you need proof of address. This just shows that you live in the area.
And that can be a little confusing. What counts as proof of address?
It could be a rental agreement or a utility bill, like for electricity. Sometimes even a piece of mail, like a bank statement that has your name and address on it.
Good to know. And kids can get their own cards too, right?
They can. It's wonderful for families.
Okay, let's practice a few simple sentences. These will really help you when you go to the front desk. Just repeat after me. I'd like to apply for a library card. What documents do I need? Can I register online?
Those are perfect. Just using those phrases will make you feel so much more comfortable.
So you have the card in your hand. Now what? Let's talk about borrowing and returning.
The borrowing part is super easy now. Most libraries have self-checkout machines.
Just like at the grocery store.
Exactly. You scan your card, you scan the book, and you're done. It's really fast.
And you can usually borrow a lot of things, right?
Yeah, often around 20 items at a time, so you won't run out of things to read.
And what if you need more time with a book?
You can usually renew it. Most of the time, you can just do that online through their website or an app. You don't even have to go back in.
And returning is maybe the easiest part of all. The book drop.
Ah, the book drop. It's basically a secure mailbox for books, usually right outside the library.
And it's open 24/7. So even if the library is closed, you can return your items.
And here's something really great. A lot of libraries have gotten rid of late fees.
So you don't have to pay money if a book is a day or two late.
In many places, no. But you should always just double check with your local library to be sure.
Okay, time for a few more practice phrases. Repeat after me. Where is the self-checkout? Can I renew this book online? Where's the book drop?
Great. Now let's imagine we're walking inside the library. What are the key sections we're going to see?
Well, the first thing you'll probably notice is the children's section. It's usually big, bright, and colorful.
And it's okay for it to be a little loud in there. That's what it's for.
Totally. Then for older kids, you'll find a teen area, lots of graphic novels, study tables.
A bit of a cooler, quieter vibe. And speaking of quiet, look for the quiet study rooms.
Oh, these are amazing. They're small, private rooms you can book, perfect for studying or, a remote work meeting.
Then you've got the computer area, rows of computers with internet access, and right next to them, the printer and scanner.
The printer is a lifesaver. You can often print a few pages for free every day.
Yes. And for our listeners, look for the ESL section. ESL stands for English as a Second Language.
So those books are chosen specifically for English learners.
Exactly. And don't forget, they still have DVDs and audiobooks too. But the most important resource isn't a section.
It's the librarian.
It's the librarians. They are friendly, they are experts, and they genuinely want to help you. Don't ever be shy about asking a question.
Right. Here is the most important phrase you can learn. Repeat after me. Excuse me, can you help me find this book?
Perfect. Okay, now for the really good stuff. We've put together our top 5 free services that go beyond just borrowing books.
These are the things that make your library card feel like pure gold.
Number 1, free English conversation classes.
So many libraries have these. It's a relaxed way to practice speaking and meet new people.
Number 2, free study room reservations. We mentioned them, but really having a private, quiet space to work for a few hours for free is huge.
It really is. Okay, number 3.
Free printing and scanning. Think about all the times you need to print a form or scan a document. That costs money at a store, but it's often free at the library.
Number 4 is for anyone with kids. Free story time.
It's more than just reading. It's songs, activities. It's great for your child's language development and for you to meet other parents.
And number 5 is maybe the most powerful one of all.
I think so. It's free online courses. Your library card gives you free access to websites like LinkedIn Learning, Udemy, and Mango Languages.
Wait, platforms that usually have a subscription fee.
Yes, you can learn new job skills, prepare for a test, or learn a new language, all for free, just with your library card. That is incredible value.
That is amazing. And speaking of value, a lot of it is digital now.
It is. So there are 2 apps you absolutely need to download, Libby and Hoopla.
Okay, tell us about Libby first.
Libby is for ebooks and audiobooks. You connect your library card, and you can instantly borrow digital books and listen to audiobooks on your phone.
So you don't even have to go to the building.
Nope. And then there's Hoopla. That's for streaming movies, music, and even comics.
It's like a free streaming service.
Pretty much. And for both apps, all you need is your library card number to sign in.
Let's practice one more sentence for that. Repeat after me. How do I connect my library card to the Libby app?
Great. Okay, before we finish up, just a few quick cultural tips for using libraries in the U.S.
First, they're usually soft, quiet, not totally silent. A quiet conversation is usually fine.
But the children's area is the exception. It's supposed to be a little noisy and fun. That's okay.
And we'll say it again, librarians love to help. Don't be afraid to ask them anything.
And one last practical thing, water in a closed bottle is usually okay, but food is generally a no-go.
All right, let's put it all together in a little role play. You can be the newcomer, and I'll be the friendly librarian.
Okay, sounds good. Here I go. Hello. I'd like to apply for a library card.
Of course. Do you have a photo ID and proof of your current address with you?
Yes, I have my driver's license and my current rental agreement. Is the rental agreement okay for proof of address?
Yes, that's perfect. Please fill out this short form. It will only take a minute.
Thank you so much. Also, I heard that you have free English conversation classes here.
We do. We have them every Tuesday and Thursday evening at 6 p.m. They are free, and you can just drop in.
Amazing. I'll join next week.
Excellent. Welcome to the library. We are happy to have you.
See? It's that easy. We really hope this deep dive makes you feel excited to go to your local library. It is truly one of the most powerful free resources you have.
So here's your mission for this week. Just visit your nearest library. Try one of the sentences you practiced and get that card. You can do it.
And if you liked this deep dive and found it helpful, please remember to tap like, subscribe, and share the Real English podcast.
And if you want to review today's lesson, I uploaded a free PDF summary in the description and in the comments. Feel free to download it and study at your own pace. Real life, real confidence.